How's it going, everybody? So today we're talking about how not to ruin your damn car, right? There's many ways to ruin your engine's computer. Probably the most common ways are crossing up your battery terminals. Well, I'm just going to show you here. Now, anything you do to cross your battery terminals up is going to damage your ECU, your computer, your DME, whatever you want to call it. Most new cars, they made it impossible to do that, right? However, if you're installing a new battery, you can still have it flipped around and hook it up backwards like that. So be cautious of that. Now, the next thing is, I no longer use any jumper cables for any car, no matter what. Obviously, most of the time we're here in the shop, I could use a full out, my stand-up battery charger, whatever you want. Take your choice of options when you're in your shop, right? Okay, let's say you're not in your shop. Those battery cables, these things, actually I had to dig for like 40 minutes to even find these. I can't remember the last time I used those. There's such a issue with these. If you're inexperienced, you can flip the positive to the negative, blow everything up. Also, a lot of these cables can be really thin and they'll get hot. And a lot of times what'll happen when you're laying over the fender or over the core support of your car, if they're really thin, they'll get hot and actually arc out to the metal. I've seen that several times. That could also cause immediate damage to your car. Now, the best way to not damage your car is to get one of these. Anybody that has a car, or more than one car especially, should have one of these. This is an older pack here. I'll put a link in the description to one of these packs if you're interested. But this is a jump pack. This can start your car, 25 times. It comes with a little set of leads. It's a very safe unit. Well, this one I snipped the safety off of it. Ordinarily I have a safety on it where you cannot hook it up backwards. It's kind of idiot proof, as you say. This will also charge your phone endless amount of times. Has a built-in flashlight. You can charge it off your car, which is nice because you don't have to take it out of your car, take it in your house. You can charge it off the cigarette lighter in your car. You can charge it on the plug in your house. Now, the biggest thing is the cars that have the ECUs under the hood, like this one. In fact, now we're talking about this. This car actually had ECU damage because of water in the ECU box. A lot of cars, the drains don't drain properly. The water backs up, floods the ECU out, and the BMW has pretty bad problems with that. I think some Mercedes stuff had a problem with that. Pretty much most manufacturers at some point in time has had issues with water getting to the ECU. A lot of the Chevys, they put the ECU right on top of the engine. That opens you up for a lot of issues. It's supposed to be sealed, but if it's not sealed correctly and you go to wash your engine, you get water in the ECU, and there you are. All right, so one more thing is welding. When you're having the exhaust welded on your car, it's kind of unproven whether it'll hurt the ECU or not if you don't hook the battery. When we did the E60 exhaust, you can see behind me here, we didn't hook it on that. It's just too risky not to do it. A car that has a lot of electronics, especially if it's something real simple like a Honda Civic, well, who knows? I won't be in such a big hurry to do that. But a car that has a lot of ECUs, a lot of computers, you definitely be super careful with that. That's gonna be it, guys. That's all for this video. Hopefully this helps some of you guys out. Like always, we'll be back very soon with another video.